Hello everybody. If you are using a Windows PC, I wanted to show you how to open Eclipse and create a project and create a Java source file, and then how to execute it. So first we're going to type in Eclipse here and press enter when it pops up. Mileage may vary. It may take a long time for Eclipse to actually load on your system. So choose a workspace or create a new one. And then this is round 2 of loading. Eclipse likes to spend as much time as a loading bar across your screen as possible. Alright, so if this is the first time you're opening Eclipse, you'll see this welcome screen. You can X out of it, you can close it out, and you might see more stuff pop up. We can just X out of that, and we can click File, New, go to Project, and hit Java Project. We can name the project anything we want. We'll call this tutorial. Then we're going to hit the next button. It'll take a minute to load to the next screen. On this screen, we want to make sure that create module info.java file is not checked. So it should look like this. And then once we do that, we can click finish. And we can click open perspective if that appears. And let it load. When it finishes loading, you should see something like this. In the Package Explorer, the side panel, you should see a folder labeled tutorial. A project in Eclipse is like a folder. So when you want to create a new folder for your Package Explorer, you're going to go through that process: File, New, Project, Java Project. Now let's open this folder, and we're going to right click on the source folder here. We can go to New, and we're going to go to Class. When you want to create a Java file, you're always going to right click on Source, go to New, and then go to Class, and click that. So now this new window appears. We can name the class whatever we want. So I'm going to name it Hello World, just like that. And it says down here, which method stubs would you like to create? I'm going to click the first one, public static void main, and I'm going to hit finish. Alright, so now you should see hello world.java inside tutorial. Alright, and hello world.java opened up in the center window here. So now we can edit the code file. Remember that all of the code we're going to write is going to go in between public static void main curly bracket and the closing curly bracket. So all of our code is going to go right here in these in between these areas. So I'm just going to use a system.out.println statement, remember that that sends whatever's in the parentheses to the console. And I'm just going to type hello world. And in order to run this, we can click this green circle with a white triangle in it. Okay, and the same thing here. So just click OK. And now you can see that the program executed and a window called console appeared with hello world in it. So now you've run this program, system.out.println, sent hello world, what was in its parentheses, to your console.